Hi dear children, we were discussing about the nomenclature of hydrocarbons and we have completed the nomenclature of saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons, right? Hope you have done the worksheet. Here is the answer. You can check your answer with this. You know how to name the straight chain alkane or the alkane without branches, don't you? Today, we will learn the nomenclature of branched hydrocarbons. Can you say the IUPAC name of this hydrocarbon? What is the word root used for 5 carbon atoms? And what about the suffix? Yes, you are right. It is pentane. Pentane is an alkane with 5 carbon atoms, isn't it? Now see another chain with the same number of carbon atoms. What change do you observe in the carbon chain? Didn't you see that a carbon atom has formed a branch? There are 4 carbon atoms in the main chain and the 5th carbon atom is present as a branch. Now shall we complete the structure by adding hydrogen atoms? The branch present in this hydrocarbon is called methyl radical. Let me explain what are radical. You learned that in alkanes, all valencies of carbon atoms are satisfied by hydrogen. When a hydrogen atom is removed from an alkane, it changes to a reactive group of atoms called radicals. For example, when a hydrogen atom is removed from methane, it forms a methyl radical called CH3. Similarly, the radical formed by the removal of hydrogen from ethane is ethyl radical CH3CH2. So, according to IUPAC rules of nomenclature, the longest chain, that is, the chain with maximum number of carbon atoms, should be considered as the main chain. The remaining carbon atoms other than the main chain are treated as branches. The position of the branches can be found out by numbering carbon atoms in the main chain. This numbering of carbon atoms in the chain should be done in such a way that the carbon atom carrying the branch gets the lowest number. Let's see how an IUPAC name is given to a compound based on these rules. See the 2 ways in which the carbon chain is numbered. In which structure the carbon atom carrying the branch gets the lowest position number? You can see that in structure B, the carbon atom carrying the branch gets the lowest number as 2, right? That is, the position number of the branch is 2. Let us complete the following related to this hydrocarbon. What is the number of carbon atoms present in the main chain? Yes, it is 4. Therefore, the word root is but, right? Suffix is ane. Since the chemical bond between the carbon atom is single, we use the suffix ane. But what is the name of the alkyl radical coming as branch? Yes, it is methyl. And the position number of the branch is 2. Hence, the IUPAC name of this compound is 2-methyl-butane. So, according to IUPAC rules of nomenclature, the naming of a hydrocarbon with a branch follows the pattern position number of branch plus hyphen plus name of radical plus word root plus suffix. Remember, a hyphen is used to separate numerals and alphabets while writing the IUPAC name. Consider another example. How many carbon atoms are there in the main chain? Shall we number this chain? Yes, it is 6 carbon atoms. What is the alkyl radical coming as branch? Here you can see that there are 2 carbon atoms. Therefore, the name of alkyl radical is ethyl. And what is the position number of the branch? The carbon atom carrying the branch should get the least position number, right? So, the position of the branch is 3. The IUPAC name of the compound is 3-ethyl hexane. Understood? Let us see one more example. How many carbon atoms are there in the main chain? I will say that it is 5. Little bit confused? Let us number the carbon in 2 ways. Didn't you see the 5 carbon atoms in the main chain? Therefore, the number of carbon atoms present in the longest chain is 5. So children, always remember, the chain that carries the maximum number of carbon atom is considered as the longest chain. So what is the alkyl branch coming here? It is methyl, right? And what is the position number? Very good. It is 3. So what is the IUPAC name of this compound? It is 3-methyl pentane. Got it? Alright students. So here is a worksheet for you. Write the IUPAC names of the given hydrocarbons by identifying the longest chain and the position of the branches. Well, it's the time to end our class. Before that, let us recall what we studied today. Today we discussed about the nomenclature of branched hydrocarbons. According to IUPAC rules of nomenclature, the longest chain should be considered as the main chain. The remaining carbon atoms other than the main chain are treated as branches. The position of the branches can be found out by numbering carbon atoms in the main chain. Numbering of carbon atoms in the chain should be done in such a way that the carbon atom carrying the branch gets the lowest number. The naming of a hydrocarbon with the branches follows the pattern position number of branch plus hyphen plus name of radical plus word root plus suffix. A hyphen is used to separate the numerals and alphabets while writing the IUPAC name. Okay children, let's meet you in the next class. Thank you.